like, you know, Hunt and Kill. So many, there were still 10 songs. Mind you, he already performed for about 45 minutes, you know.
Right.
That's how many hit records Cobra has. So as he came up on stage again to hit those, the Penthouse songs, like the ones with Paris and so on, I don't know what happened again. Maybe he saw something, or, you know, he just started going on back to the same topic.
Right.
And then he got a little out of hand, and then he decided that he's not going to sing anything, and that was the end of the event. So in closing, I want to say, number one, it was a good event.
Right.
Unfortunately, what happened was a true misunderstanding in a professional sense, because you have a sound man with experience who wants to make sure nothing plugs out and nothing messes up, because that would ruin the night. And you have a performer who's a professional who hasn't been here in 13, 15, whatever it is years,
right.
And he wants to give the people their money's worth, and he was doing a good job of that because the sound system was sounding good, by the way.
Right.
So it's for the first time ever in my lifetime, here's an incident where it's not because somebody is being unprofessional where things get messed up. It's because both of them are being professional, and just because due to a simple misunderstanding and lack of patience, really, on behalf of Cobra, really, to see, okay, what's the issue? You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm. So,
and I'm saying this, I spoke to Cobra today,
right.
I spoke to the sound, I spoke to the chat, I spoke to the promoters, I spoke to people who were on the stage who can verify what I'm saying. Now the people in the crowd, Gary, heard what they heard,
right.
Which is Cobra dissing a person.
So,
Cobra kept dissing a person. Of course he's dissing a person because he's upset. But let's give credit where it's due too. Because the person that you say don't name him, we know